Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, if I'm a director of a company and I think it might need to go into liquidation, can I just backdate my resignation to a while ago so that I don't have to deal with responsibilities like the insolvent trading of the company? So in short, the answer to this question is no, you can't do that. ASIC has measures in place to prevent misuse of director resignations and backdating of these. This is because directors are required to take responsibilities for their actions as director of a company. So, if a director resigns and doesn't notify ASIC within 28 days of their resignation, the resignation takes effect from the day on which ASIC actually received notification of the resignation. This means that directors can't backdate their resignation to years ago, because that would be avoiding their responsibilities for when they were genuinely a director of the company.